What's up guys, it's Matt back for some quick tech news. So we've got the Galaxy Note 10 and there's rumored to be a Galaxy Note 10e version. So what this is going to be a smaller version, a 6.4-inch version, which I'm really excited for because the Galaxy Note 10 is supposed to have a 6.7-inch display, and that's pretty much massive. That's like almost a small tablet size. So I'm really excited for this, mostly because I have smaller hands and I've always been interested in the Galaxy lineup, but it's just been too big. So I'm definitely excited for this, and they're saying that the bezels are going to be extremely small, which is going to be a plus for this phone. Now for the specs of the Galaxy Note 10, it will feature a 6.7-inch display, 1440 by 2960. It will run Android 9.0, of course. It will be powered by the octa-core 2.7 GHz quad-core M3 processor. In addition, it will have 6 GB of RAM with a max of 12 GB of RAM from what I'm hearing, and it will have a 4100 milliamp battery, which is going to be pretty good. Now the cameras are being rumored to be some crazy high megapixels, so we'll just have to see about that. We're not really sure what the cameras are going to be because of the rumors are so different. But of course, this will have the in-display fingerprint sensor, and it also is rumored to have no buttons as well, so it'll be pretty interesting to see how that works out. So I'll keep you guys updated with the latest news, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.